Today I am reviewing the Liene M100 photo printer. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Designed with portability and simplicity in mind, the Liene M100 brings together convenience, vibrant photo quality, and wireless connectivity in one sleek package. Whether you're an amateur photographer, a scrapbooker, or someone who just loves to preserve memories on paper, this little powerhouse is worth your attention. Let's start with what you get in the box. The Liene M100 includes 100 sheets of photo paper, 3 color cartridges, and the photo printer itself. That means you're ready to start printing as soon as you unbox it. No need to purchase anything extra. It's a full-color photo solution that works right out of the gate. Now let's talk print quality. The Liene M100 uses thermal dye sublimation technology, which is a huge step up from traditional inkjet photo printers. This means your photos are printed with layers of dye that deeply penetrate the paper for rich, vibrant tones. The result? Sharp details, balanced colors, and realistic skin tones. But it doesn't stop there. Each print is laminated with a protective coating, making it resistant to water, smudges, fingerprints, and even fading over time. This durability makes it ideal for keepsakes, family albums, or even gifting. Compared to standard at-home photo printers, the Liene M100 delivers photos that are not only better looking, but also much more long-lasting. One of its standout features is its Wi-Fi direct capability. You don't need to connect it to your home network. The printer itself becomes a hotspot, allowing you to connect your smartphone or up to 5 devices at once directly to it. It works smoothly with both iOS and Android devices, and it also supports Windows and Mac. Whether you're printing from your iPhone, an Android tablet, or a PC, the Liene handles it with ease. The setup process is incredibly simple. All you need to do is download the Liene Photo app, which opens up a world of customization. With the app, you can add borders, apply filters, adjust brightness and contrast, and even print ID or passport-sized photos. The app is user-friendly and responsive, making editing and printing a breeze. And speaking of design, the Liene M100 is also visually impressive. It has a minimalist, clean look and features a magnetic enclosure for the photo tray, which makes storage more compact and keeps the internals dust-free. It doesn't scream tech gadget, but rather looks stylish on any desk or shelf. Despite its portable size, the Liene printer doesn't compromise on performance. It can deliver a borderless 4x6-inch print in about a minute, ideal for quick snapshots, event printing, or spontaneous photo albums. It also comes with auto-detect features, which help ensure that the cartridge is properly seated, and if you ever run into print quality issues, it even allows for easy print head cleaning through the app. If you're someone who loves printing your memories as much as capturing them, the Liene M100 makes the process enjoyable and mess-free. Plus, with no ink smears and no need for additional messy cartridges, it keeps things clean and efficient. Whether you're a student, a parent, or a creative hobbyist, the Liene M100 offers professional-grade prints without the need for professional equipment. At its price point, with paper and cartridges included, it's a fantastic value for anyone who loves printing high-quality photos on demand. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews. And check the description below if you're ready to grab your own Liene M100. Happy printing!